Hey guys, a lot of life updates since my last YouTube video. I have moved house. I am living in Queenstown. I have not only moved house, I have moved cities. I'm in Queenstown. Here's a house tour. There's so many cool, exciting things to come. I'm really excited to get into doing more content now that I have an entire house to play out of instead of one room. You guys, get ready. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Yeah. My kitchen literally is just fabulous. I love it. We've got lots of, hey camera, we've got lots of decor as Lego flowers and also plants, which I'm really, really proud of. This is our kitchen here. Look how cute. Also, this leads to a cattery where my cat is currently inside. Look how freaking cool this is. Like, look, there he is. He's over there. There he is. Hello, food. Hello. And we've got lots of wood for our fireplace. Look at this. So nice. And then we also have some, hi Jimmy. We also have some plants here too. These are really cute. Got another plant. All of our board games too. Currently, we don't have a couch. We have beanbags. And that Monstera I got for $40 from Marketplace as well. Absolute deal. Look at this. Like, this was $59 from Kmart. Honestly, most of the house, Kmart. Kmart. It's Kmart everywhere. Kmart. So I'm really proud of this house. I love it. I am obsessed. Yeah, we're just renting and it's amazing. And I love it. Let's crack on with the tour. So then we have the hallway. Lovely picture done by my good friend Carvey. Then we have a bathroom number 1. The guest bathroom, which leads into the cattery as well. Nice big shower. Bougie. Then we have my bedroom. And that is an ensuite. We have walk-in wardrobe. All of my friends thought my shit wouldn't fit. Fuck you. And then Chris's stuff. We have a mirror there. Hello. Now, I have not made my bed. Oh, also, shoes. I have not made my bed because I have just, like, bistled the mattress. So, excuse all that. But, look! I have a makeup station again. Oh, my gosh. Look. It's so freaking cute. Like, hello. I've got all my makeup. And my little luck bitch. Fuck yes. And then all of my stuff. Look how stunning. This giant puddle, like, mat. Then the mirror. Slay. Kmart. You know it. Let's go. This way. This is just like a cupboard that has stuff in it. These are pictures that Chris and I did as like a makeup, like, what is it? Makeup set? Paint set. Then we have our joint gaming streaming room. Now, everything is, look at it. I love it. We're going to have the hexagons on the wall. We haven't put those up, but this is his side. Chris's side here. Then, and we have this little cute thing. And then we have my side, which, oh my gosh, the lighting, everything. Chris has so kindly set everything up for me. But look, it's like my Jurassic Park dreams. Like, look at all this. I've got, like, the mini Barbie land. I've got all my pops. Got all my soft toys. We even have, I don't even have these on. Even have them on. Got all my pictures. And then my Jurassic Park freaking signed script by Jeff Goldblum. I love my boyfriend. He is amazing at gift giving. But yeah, this is my stream room, which I am obsessed with. I know that's probably super close to my face, but look how cool. And we have a mini puddle rug, which, oh God, I'm falling for this room, which is just a little guy. Kind of needs to be slightly bigger, but I actually kind of like it. Just kind of breaks the room up a little bit. But look how fantastic. Also, this is what I've been saying for years, and I found it in the warehouse, a sign of it. And then I added a dinosaur. But yeah, what do you guys think? There is one more room, which is in here. This is a spare room. And then in here is the garage. Now, this is a freaking mess. That is because literally I've been unpacking the last week. That's why I haven't had a tour sooner. Fused Fate is probably going to be somewhere. I'm not entirely sure. This is all my stuff that needs to be put into shelving. All my squishmallows, I love you. And then this is other stuff, pet stuff, camping stuff, all the stuff. But for now, we just close this door. Goodbye. And then this leads us back to the lounge because this house is a little loop-de-loop. And so here we go here. So yeah, get down. So thanks for coming along to my house tour and seeing everything that's around. Look forward to new content. I'm excited. Do you guys want me to show you the outside as well? I don't really have a lot of outside. There's not really a lot of yard, but I do have all my meerkats, which I will show in the cattery. Let's just open this door. Okay. I don't want to show to the front because I don't want you to know where I live. But then my little meerkats that have come from 3 houses with me. And then this is the giant freaking cattery. And my bird. Hello, my sweet Prince of Persia. Hello, my boy. Hello. Also, I don't know if I showed you these Lego plants as well. So fantastic. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below what kind of content you guys want to see. What are you excited for most? I'm excited to keep creating, but also I do start work in 2 days. 2 days. And I'm excited. It's going to be good. So welcome to my life in Queenstown. This is the journey. Let's freaking go. Mwah!